Imagin a magical mixture spray that is a great all-rounder, effective against aphids, whiteflies, thrips, snails and slugs. The magical mixture spray effectively repels a wide range of pests, keeping your garden healthy. It's an eco-friendly alternative, reducing the need for harmful chemical insecticides. This spray is easy to make at home with common ingredients. Its natural components are safe for plants, pets and humans. Before the exact recipe, let me tell you what we are going to use. Garlic, chili and vinegar make an effective organic spray for several reasons. Garlic contains sulfur, which is toxic to pests but safe for plants. Its strong smell also repels insects, keeping them away from your garden. Chili powder, or fresh chili, contains capsaicin, a compound that causes a burning sensation. This deters many types of pests, including aphids and beetles, from feeding on your plants. Capsaicin can also kill some pests on contact. Let's make a homemade insecticide-pesticide spray using everyday kitchen ingredients. First, take about 1 liter of warm water. Next, add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and 1 tablespoon of really hot chili powder. If you prefer, you can use fresh garlic and chili from your garden. Just crush or chop them finely. Then add 5 tablespoons of white vinegar. Mix everything together well and let it sit for at least 1 hour. After an hour, strain the mixture using a cheesecloth to remove any solid particles that could block the sprayer. Pour the filtered liquid into a spray bottle and use it to spray your plants every 10 days. Vinegar, especially white vinegar, is acidic. This acidity helps in several ways. It can kill small, soft-bodied insects like aphids on contact. Additionally, vinegar helps the mixture to stick to the plant leaves better, making the spray more effective over time. It also has some antifungal properties, which can help prevent fungal diseases on your plants. By using this homemade spray, you are choosing a safe and natural way to protect your plants. Unlike chemical pesticides, this organic solution won't contaminate your garden soil. It's also safer for pets and humans, making it a great option for home gardeners. Plus, using ingredients from your kitchen is cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Remember to always test a small amount of the spray on a few leaves first to make sure your plants don't have an adverse reaction.